What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you all for watching my videos. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed, and those of you who have not subscribed already, just click that little red button down below and subscribe now because it's about to get lit today, okay? It's about to get lit. But pretty much this video, I am going to show you all my Halloween looks. You know, every year I come up with looks. Sometimes I record, sometimes I don't. Most of the time I don't. So I just want to make sure that I can really express kind of who I am when it comes to certain things, and Halloween is one of them. I really enjoy Halloween. I will make up a costume up out of like nothing and put together like something. So this was my costume 2 years ago, and this was my costume a year ago, and both of those, like, you know, if you want to see more like closer, go on my Instagram. But both of those pictures, like, I made everything. Like the jacket, I glued all of that together. The leotard, I glued every feather on this leotard, okay? Every feather I glue on this leotard. So when it comes to Halloween, hands down, I'm doing it. Like, I don't really like buying a costume because I'm like, anybody can buy a costume, so it just makes it more original when you can do it yourself. Okay, so for this video, it's going to be different. You all are pretty much going to sit back, relax, but at the same time, you are going to try to guess 3 looks. I am going to try to make this a contest, so we'll see. And at the certain time, like basically timestamp your guess. So if at 5 minutes you start to guess what character or what I am, you can just put it below. And it can go with all 3 looks. So if you guess on the first one, second one, third one, that's fine. But I will see who was like the closest. So if you want to do all 3, do all 3. I definitely will probably pay attention to the all 3 ones. But yeah, I'm excited about this, so stay tuned.